Ready? Yes. So what's your name? My name? Perfect. Yes. How are you today? Right. How old are you? 4? 1, 2, 3, 4? Really? Wow. Right. So, do you like chicken? No. Do you like pizza? Perfect. Do you like apples? Very good. Yes. Okay. So, let's go. Ready? Yes. So, who's this? Who's this? Mine. Sister? No. Father? No, who's this? Mom. Mother. So you say, this is my mother. Alright, next one. Who's this? Father. Alright, next one. This is mine. Brother. Yes, perfect. Next one. This is mine. Very good. Next one. This is mine. Grandfather. Right, next one. Who is this? Mom. Right, next one. And now, last one. Who's this? This is yes. All right. Okay, now let's go for this one. Letters. Yes, C is for. Perfect. Okay, yes. Perfect. Carrot, yes. Coat. Right, next one. Where is the monkey? On the airplane, yes. Where is the monkey? Where is the monkey? Yes. Where is the monkey? Yes. Again, where's the monkey here? Oh, wait. Right, wait. There. There. Right, again. Let's do it again. Where is the monkey here? Yes. On the? Perfect. Swing, yes. House. Skate, yes. Fence. Yes, that's it. Thank you.